Hey everyone. All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you all how I installed this wig completely glueless. I'm talking about no gel, no adhesive, no spray whatsoever. So if you're interested in how I got this look, definitely stay tuned. So this wig comes from Tinashe Hair Company. Along with the wig, they sent me all of these goodies. So with Tinashe Hair, I've purchased from them and I've worked with them before. They always seem to send you goodies that are useful. And of course, the wig itself is a 28-inch, 180% density deep wave wig. It is a 6x6 closure wig and it did come pre-plucked. The lace that was used is a soft brown lace, so you can get away with not tinting it if you're my complexion, but you can use your powder just to kind of tint it a little bit if you'd like. The hair was pretty full and I just loved how it didn't have a smell. I co-washed the wig, I added my adjustable band, and I bleached the knots. I also plucked the closure a little bit more and added baby hairs. As you guys can see, I'm just using some powder to kind of tint the lace a little bit so that it'll give me more of a seamless blend when it comes down to actually installing the wig. So as I'm trying it on, I already see that it is a snug and secure fit, pretty much because of the band that I added into the wig. So I am just going to show you all how I like to cut the lace on the closure, especially when I've already styled the baby hairs. It was kind of hard for me to do this because I didn't know like which angle to, go by, but I kind of just wanted to show you guys how I typically do it. I like to take my razor or some small scissors to cut the border of the lace closure. And what that allows you to have is just a flat closure, and the lace pretty much just lays on the skin super flat. And as you guys can see here, I sat the wig in my lap and I'm pretty much just removing the baby hairs out the way, and I'm going along and just cutting the lace off. Like so. And so now all that's left is a little bit of lace and baby hairs. I am like a self-proclaimed advocate for closures and like glueless wigs because for me, I am an amateur when it comes down to doing these installs. So the easier, the better. So as long as they make 5x5, 6x6, and 7x7 closure wigs, like I feel like life would just be and continue to be good for me when it comes down to installing my wig. So what I'm doing here is just using some of my Nairobi foam, and even though I had already styled the baby hairs on my mannequin, I'm pretty much just restyling them on myself just so that the hairline can kind of just come together. I am going to pluck some more hair into the hairline and just set it with this foaming mousse. And after I finish styling my hairline and my baby hairs, I'm going to use this wrap that you can find on my website just to kind of help with the melting process. I'm going to get some water and I'm going to use the rest of the Nairobi foaming mousse, and I'm going to mix it into the spray bottle and begin to detangle the hair. Even though I co-washed it, with curly and deep wave hair, it seems to get dry and it gets big super fast. So keeping it moisturized is key. And I like to mix water and the foaming mousse rather than conditioner in water, because what the foaming mousse does when the hair dries, it leaves it looking moisturized. Like it gives you the wet look even though the hair is dry. As you guys can see here. Oh, yes. Now your girl is feeling herself. And this is completely glueless. I showed you all the products that I use. There was absolutely no got to be, no bedhead. There was no tape, no gel, nothing whatsoever. Just a few products in a pretty good wig, I would say. So after I added my finishing touches, this is what you have, a completely glueless install. Just remember that the key to having a completely glueless install would be in the elastic band placement. If you guys would like a video on that, let me know. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you're interested in this wig, I'll leave it linked down below for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.